crazy. Like, it's so beautiful, but it's so frizzy right now and everything. So today I will be showing you how to define your curls. Cause this right here, I mean, it's cute, but it's not defined, okay? So today I will be showing you how to define your perfect curls. Okay, so we're starting off like this, doing in a ponytail like this. Okay, now you got your hair, and you would need a water bottle like this. Not water bottle, spray bottle like this one. So let's get into it. You would want to just damp the hair, not soak. Okay, so now your hair is all damp, and you would want to put the parting where you want it to be. I like middle parts, but today I am going to do a side part. You can always have it like a messy part. Oops. You can always have it a messy part or an actual straight part like mine. Now time for the defining part. And one of the steps to having perfect curls is to get a brush like this and untangle your hair. Make sure it's no knots or anything in it. Because it's curly hair, it's going to get a little tangled, but this brush really helps. So I am going to add this in my hair right now. This is a Longqi Coconut Curls OGX, I believe, but I got it from Walmart. I will link it below. And it's a mousse, so all you would do is shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And it's like this. And it foams by itself. Okay, so we don't need a lot of this because this stuff is kind of crazy. You don't need a lot, just a little for each hand. I mean, just a little, and then it blows up. And then you put it on each hand. Like this. Like this. And you can just start adding it in. Crunch it up so your curls can define a little bit more. And I will be using another product. I also got it from Walmart. This right here, curl definer. This right here, beautiful texture. informed you about curling your hair, with defining your beautiful